Hey yo, what's up ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris as always, and today I am going to show you how to install the Pycharm IDE inside Windows 10. If you don't know what Pycharm is, the Pycharm is the IDE that is specifically used for developing the Python programs, and it ensures the flexibility while we are doing our coding. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see how we can download this one and install it. You can go on the favorite browser. In this case I'm using Chrome, and you can type Pycharm like this one and press enter, and it will bring up the first link here that you will see. It is from the JetBrains, and JetBrains is the provider of this Pycharm. So go ahead and press on this one, and it will bring up the interface like this to seem like the same because I was previously opened it. And you can be welcomed with the download button here. You can go ahead and press on download. After you do that, you will see there are the two versions. The first version is for the professional, which can work for both scientific and web Python development with HTML, JavaScript and SQL, but you can try also the community version, which is for free. And if you care to test the professional version, you can go ahead and try the trial for 30 days. You can see if it's worth it, then you can pay for getting this one, which is the professional. In this tutorial we're not going to try the trial one, but we are going to use the community version, which is a lifetime experience you can get using this IDE. So you can go ahead and press download to bring up this one. It will start downloading it. According to the speed of your internet, the download will be very quick or slow, but in this case we have to wait for this download to be done. I think it will not take long. I'm going to speed up so as to never waste time. Alright, cool. We are going to go ahead and show it in the folder, and you can see it is here now. And once we are seeing it here, you can go ahead and double click on the setup, and the installer will start. So we have to wait for the installer to start. Can minimize this one to have a clean and a neat workspace. All right. Go ahead and press yes for authorizing this software to make changes on our computer. Go ahead and press yes. Here you go. Once we are now starting our wizard, you can see that this is the wizard that will help us to install this one. Go ahead and press next. After it will now tell you that the destination folder will be this one. It is in program files, JetBrains Pycharm Community Edition 2021.2.2. This is the current version that we're going to install, and it is going to run as for the space required on our hard disk, so as to be aware on what it will take. If you want to change the folder, you can go ahead and change it, but I don't like to change. I like to leave the defaults. So go ahead and press next, and to bring all these install options, it will ask if you want to create a desktop shortcut. It will ask us if we want to open a folder as a project, and if we want to associate all the .py files using this IDE. So I'm going to check also this one. If you want to add this into path, it will ask you to restart. I'm not going to do that, but if you need to, you can do that, and it will add a Python variable into your path directory or your path folder. So go ahead and press next for this. It will tell us for the start menu, it will be looking like this one. There's no problem, you can leave that as it is. Go ahead and press install, and it will start installation. And the thing you can do here is you can show the details to see how the installation is going. So if there is something that failed, you can go ahead and keep track of it to see why it is not working great, so as to fix that very easily. Okay, let's wait for this to be done. There you go. Now the setup is completed, so we can go ahead and check this one to learn the Pycharm Community Edition to check if it works. But if you don't want to learn it like here, you can go ahead and finish without learning it, but you can go ahead and learn so as to make sure that our IDE is working as expected. Go ahead and press finish. to restart by Pycharm. Let's wait. There we go. You can see this is the very beautiful interface. When you start Pycharm for the first time, to bring you two options. The first option is to configure the installation directory, or you do want to import any settings. So in this case, I don't have the current setting that was set before, so I'm going to go ahead and leave the default. Do not import any setting here. Press OK. It will continue to be like this one. It's opening. There we go. This is now the welcome screen that you can see on here. You can go ahead and create a new project, open a project, or get from VCS. You can go ahead and check that out. You can go ahead and customize on this tab, where you can customize the font. If you have any eye defect, you can go ahead and adjust the color for red, green, vision deficiency. You can install other plugins here if you want to speed up your process, or you can you installed some plugin that can speed up your work. You can go ahead and install them from here, but we are not going to do that for the sake of making this video short and neat. Go ahead and go on projects and try to create a new project like this one. It will ask me for the name of project. Let me say test project, and put underscore here, test project, quick project like this, and to bring all this one, and it is now telling us that the base interpreter is Python 3.9, which is the current for the recording of this video. You can see there is up or down versions. It can depend on the date you are watching this video, but don't get twisted. You can go ahead and create next, and to ask us to use the virtual environment for running our Python project. Okay, go ahead and press create. There we go, and it will start to load our components so as to have a workspace that is clear and neat. And as you can see, I didn't have the Python 3.9 installed, and it is downloading it, and it is bringing me the tip of the day. You can go ahead and see all the tips for today, and if you don't want to see all the tips, you can go ahead and press close. And meanwhile, our Python 3.9.5 is downloading, and this is going to install it, and it will bring up this welcome project. You can go ahead and customize to however you want. You can say, for example, I can declare my variables here and say that I have like 100 years. I can say that I have 6, which is now the male. And you can see when you try to print, you can go ahead and print whatever you want. You can say like your gender, type gender like this one is, you can put like this one, and you are this, and you can also put this format, and you can do like this one. You can put 6 and age. Okay, that is basically how you can install this Pycharm inside Windows 10. I hope guys you found this video very helpful and interesting. Let me know in the comments if you met with any error. I will be right here, and I will help you for whatever you will ask. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are coming on the channel for the first time and you want to see many videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.